ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo Review, the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. Keeping a home clean can be a challenge, but the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo makes it effortless. This robot vacuum and mop combo combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and self-maintenance features to give you a hands-free cleaning experience. Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth the investment. Unmatched cleaning power with 11,000 PA suction. One of the standout features of the DEEBOT T30S Combo is its unbeatable 11,000 PA suction power. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, fine dust, or stubborn debris, this vacuum has the strength to clean carpets and hard floors effortlessly. TruEdge adaptive edge mopping for precision cleaning. Many robot vacuums struggle with edges and corners, but TruEdge adaptive edge mopping ensures precise cleaning with 1 mm accuracy. Using a hovering arm and smart algorithms, it provides 99% coverage, leaving no area untouched. Zero tangle technology, no more hair wrap. If you've ever had to clean tangled hair with a vacuum brush, you'll appreciate the zero tangle anti-tangle technology. Both the robot and handheld vacuum are designed to prevent hair entanglement, reducing maintenance hassle. All-in-one cleaning hub, hands-free maintenance. The dual self-emptying system ensures that both vacuums automatically dispose of collected dust into a large capacity station. It also features 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and automatic water refilling, keeping your mop clean and ready for use. Smart control and navigation. With TrueDetect 3D 3.0 obstacle avoidance and TrueMapping 2.0 navigation, this robot ensures precise and efficient cleaning. Plus, you can control it using voice commands, Apple Watch, Alexa, or the mobile app. Pros and cons. Pros. 11,000 PA suction for deep cleaning. Zero tangle technology prevents hair wrap. Smart navigation with obstacle detection. Self-emptying dustbins and hot water mop washing. Voice and app controls for convenience. Cons. Higher price compared to standard robot vacuums. Takes up space due to its large docking station. Slight learning curve with app setup. Final verdict, is it worth it? If you're looking for a powerful, self-sufficient cleaning solution, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo is an excellent investment. With intelligent features, strong suction, and hands-free maintenance, it takes the hassle out of home cleaning. While it's on the pricier side, its performance justifies the cost.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.